Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I recently went and bought the part that I discussed in my earlier YouTube video about the repair that is needed to be done on my 05 Ram 1500. It is a basic, simple job. It's not very tedious. It's not time consuming. All you got to do is have the right help, the right tools, and you can have it done in maybe a couple hours at tops. The part that I bought is a vital piece to your truck. If you do not have the truck with this piece, it will feel top heavy, it will sway back and forth, you'll hear clanking noises, and the other parts to this truck will start to break. It is a relatively inexpensive part depending on where you go and how you go about doing it. The place that I use is a place that I use relatively often. They have about every part you can think of. Some of the parts are warranted and some are not. I choose to go with a relatively inexpensive way for now. But the part that I got is a leaf spring right here. The leaf spring is what is connected to your axle, which gives your truck the ability to carry loads. If any part of this leaf spring is broke, you will feel it. The truck will start swaying back and forth. It will feel unstable at times. The part that I recently broke, if I take you under here to the truck, is right here. If you can see it, it's right here. This piece right here is vital to the piece of your leaf spring. If that piece is broke, your truck will start swaying back and forth. So I had to go and buy a new piece. It's relatively simple to put on. You got a bolt that goes here, a bolt that goes down there, and then you got 4 uni bolts right here. These connect to your frame, that connects to your axle. The piece that broke is right in here. This is where a lot of your load will come from. The best thing to do is, if you got a rusty truck or if you're up north or wherever, get some lubricant to try to break the rust free so you don't have to struggle as much. But this right here is relatively simple. It's not extremely hard. It's quite a heavy piece of part. It requires 2 people to do. You can get the job done in a couple hours if you have the right help. This is the first part that I've actually had to buy for my truck since I've had it. It's a 05. It's got almost 250,000 miles on it. I ain't had no issues out of it. These are the original leaf springs on the truck that I'm getting ready to replace. They do go out depending on how much load you put in your truck or how much you use your truck for towing and hauling. My truck is relatively used for hauling. It does haul heavy loads. I do have a beefier setup than most Dodge trucks. I am a 2-wheel drive, which is one downside to it, but nevertheless, where I'm at, you really don't need a 4-wheel drive all the time. This is one of the best trucks that I've bought so far. I've always loved Dodges. They're really reliable if they're taken care of. But once you get the parts in, it's relatively easy. I will hope to have a video installed soon on my channel of the installation process, the removal of it, the install process, how simple or how difficult it can be to replace it. Once I get the part in, I'll hope to have that done within the next day or so, if time will allow me. I am just starting out, so you will have to work with me a little bit, getting the videos out. Once I do get that installed, I do have some upcoming projects that I want to do for my truck. As for the projects coming up, I'm hoping to have my K&N air filter installed. I'm going to have a custom backup camera put in. I'm not planning on lifting it. It's already lifted enough. We'll have some new set of tires put on it here soon. This truck has almost 250,000 miles. Nothing wrong with the engine. It's routinely maintenance like normal. But this is the part that I had to buy. It's very crucial. If you do not buy these, or you just ignore the problem that has occurred, you will have more issues and could lead to more serious problems. But for now, I'm hoping to have the video installed or uploaded in the next day or so, depending on time restraints. I may have a family member on cam with me doing it, because it does require 2 people. Hopefully this will give you the insights on how to install a leaf spring, or how to see what a leaf spring looks like uninstalled. I'm hoping this will give some insight on how these jobs go. If you have any comments or want to leave a comment, just leave it in the comment box below. Hit the like, share, subscribe button. Really would like to have some subscribers starting out. I know it's relatively hard to do that starting out, but hopefully here in the next couple days I will have a video up for you guys soon, and then hopefully the more videos are coming out sooner. I'm going to try to come up with a schedule to upload some videos, and hopefully that will be a routine thing to try to help get a little bit of traffic going. But until then, I hope to see y'all Saturday. That's hopefully when I'm planning on installing the part. If I don't release the video on Saturday, it'll be in the next couple days after that. But until then, I hope to see y'all in the next video. Bye.